This is Jordan. Today I'll be showing you how to log into ArcGIS Online. First we'll need to go to the website for ArcGIS Online, which is www.arcgis.com/index.html. Once you've reached the website, you'll see Sign In located towards the bottom. Press that blue box. Then you'll need to select the Enterprise Login. This allows you to log into ArcGIS Online using your IU credentials. So type IU, then press Continue, then press the box that says Indiana University. Under Username, type it as if you were logging into your email, as well as your passphrase. Once you've successfully logged in to ArcGIS Online, you can either access content that you've made previously, either data that you've uploaded to the website or maps that you've made previously, or you can begin to make a new map by selecting Map from the top left corner of the website.